Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So how we learn? We really know a lot. As educators, we know a lot already about how people learn. We know that people learn best when learning is an active process and when it challenges us. When we really, as learners, we get stretched, that the process of education is really pushing us to learn and to do things that are difficult. And this is nothing new. We have to be model, we can see the gap, and at least from data perspective. So in order to achieve something within this gap, to solve this gap, we need to do some kind of transformation. And the way we see this transformation is the AI. Our claim here is we can use AI techniques and theories in order to make this kind of jump and transform our situation from now until achieving the whole SDG goals that we have been set for all of us. So to understand this, what are they?
Give information. Let's say if A, then B. This is called knowledge, all right? Knowledge is an information that makes you able to generate more information. Because if you mix knowledge and information, you will get new information. All right, so this is data. So what's data science?
It is like a next generation search engine that uses artificial intelligence to read, understand and organize text information so that we as humans don't have to, and so that we can spend our time doing higher value activities like executing and implementing.
Achieving the Sustainable Development Goals has become the major issue for all governments aiming to achieve this goal by 2030. The World Association for Sustainable Development is launching a major initiative which will help countries to achieve these goals, which involve policy making, helping countries how to understand, to make the necessary or to formulate the necessary policies to achieve these goals. This will involve training, it will involve intervention, it will involve lots of issues relating to the general idea about the goals and also about countries' specific needs.
So please remember, if we all help and do a little bit, it will make a big difference.